Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to introduce you my Fiat 500 Abart in the color Nado Grey. This is my favorite color. I love this color because it is so aggressive in many ways, not in this particular car but on other cars, for example by Porsche or other supercars. This is actually not a supercar, but it has a really nice sound, and as you can see, I am in Germany. That means we can go to the Autobahn and drive this car actually, which I'm going to do hopefully with other cars as well, so stick around. This is the key. It is not a cold start because I drove to this place, and yeah, it sounds pretty amazing though, although it's not cold. I know some other YouTubers have better cars, but I enjoy this car actually for the last 5 months. And I'm loving it. It's really cool to drive around with this. Some YouTubers are complaining about the seating position, but in my opinion it's not that bad. So put the seatbelt on. Now we can do a little bit of sound check. This is in sport. We can take it out from sport and listen then. Actually, if you drive this car not in sport, it is like a crashed Fiat 500, because it is really slow. Thank you. I hope you can hear the sound, because it's really nice, and you don't expect that from this little car. For that reason, I think some of the people on the road are looking like, what kind of car is that? And they wonder that it's actually a Fiat 500. It is not so rare in Germany. I saw in my city roughly a couple of 20 or... Ooh, that was close. We don't want to kill any birds in our first video. Let's drive to the Autobahn. In this short time where I'm owning it, it had 0 issues, thankfully. We don't want that anything happens. Suspension, it's too stiff, but we have also too much traffic to drive much higher speeds right now. the Abarths come with a 5-speed manual gearbox. You can order as well the automatic gearbox. In my opinion, manual is the best on earth. I know in the city it's sometimes a little bit annoying, but it's too cool to drive automatic. You open up and close the windows from these buttons on the center console. You have to get used to it a little bit, but after you get used to it, it's really cool because you don't have to search here for anything. So in my opinion, it's really convenient. Yeah, here we have our favorite sign, but sadly it's too much traffic to drive any top speed runs, but I promise you we will do that in the future. I love this car, really. It's really fun to drive. You have a great sound, it's cheap. I picked it up actually for 8,000 euros. I think in America or England they are much cheaper than that. I had the luck that I got one in really good condition. I'm going to show you the engine now. This is the 1.4 liter 4-cylinder from Abarth. It's actually really clean. I have the xenon headlights, which are looking really nice. This car is actually completely stock, but I'm pretty impressed that the Italians make the car like this. It's really fun and nice to drive. So let's drive a little bit around and I will stop talking, that you can hear the nice sound of the 1.4 4-cylinder. So I hope you guys enjoyed my little introduction. I will make more videos when I get more cars. So I hope you are all staying healthy during COVID. So see you in the next one.